Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2015 Honda CB500F. This naked twin 500cc sport bike just arrived with only 7,800 miles. Brand new tires, an awesome sounding Kaufman's exhaust. This bike is in beautiful shape. Come on by. Make your lightweight sport bike dreams come true with this gorgeous Honda CB500F. Price to sell just $49.99. This bike's not going to be here long. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock.